He is strategic.
Collaborating.
Thoughtful. He's brilliant.
During wrestling season of my sophomore year in high school, I had a very serious injury to my elbow that required surgical repair. So I went to the Cleveland Clinic and learned there was a thing called sports medicine.
Chris is a person who has no ego, and he just wants to make the world better, the profession better, his students better, his colleagues better.
I went to Marietta with the idea that I would major in sports medicine and play football. And I had a conversation with Paul Spear, and he said, you know, my best students aren't playing sports, they're focusing on their academics.
When not in the classroom, Chris could frequently be found in the athletic training room, honing his skills and developing it for his profession. Chris has made significant contributions to his professional life through his educational, research, and being a dean and provost.
The most rewarding part of my career has been working with the hundreds of talented students. I've wanted every single one of my students to achieve their goals, but to think bigger than that. I'm extremely proud of each and every one of them.
One of the reasons that the profession for athletic training is better because of Chris Ingersoll is because of this textbook. And it helped us to really better understand what it meant to be an administrator and how to administrate our athletic training programs. And he was a pioneer here.
Perhaps one of the most memorable opportunities for me was serving as the Joe Geek Professor of Sports Medicine at the University of Virginia.
You know, education is the engine that drives opportunity, professional advancement. We have a debt of gratitude to Chris for being able to do this. We're very excited for him.
I had the privilege of serving as editor-in-chief of the Journal of Athletic Training. These were the people who were creating the knowledge for our profession, and I was so honored to be among them.
His leadership and academics always provided great collaboration. Not just in athletic training, his vision was to make athletic training a part of that greater body of health sciences.
I've been fortunate to be surrounded by extraordinary people my entire life.
He didn't like the status quo. If we're doing something, could we do it better? If we needed to do something that we weren't doing, we should consider those things. And he looked for us to be creative and find solutions to those problems in the profession.
Take time to get outside, drive fast cars, generally enjoy yourself. That will make you better at what you do in the end.